Hey besties, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to create a stunning and easy chocolate brown eye makeup look. I'm sure you will fall in love with it and want to give it a try. So let's get started and do this eye makeup look together. I start off by using a dark brown eyeshadow as the base. You can pick this shade from your favorite eyeshadow palette using a big brush or a blended brush. I apply 3 dots of this eyeshadow right on my eyelids. As you can see, I've already prepared my eyelids beforehand. You can use your perfect concealer or primer for this step. Now blend these dots using sweeping motions to ensure a seamless blend of the eyeshadow. Make sure to blend it well enough to cover your eyelid and get rid of any harsh lines. If necessary, add more eyeshadow to areas that needs more intensity. It's all about personal preference, so feel free to adjust eyeshadow to your liking, whether you want it softer or bolder. As you blend the eyeshadow, make sure to bring your brush up towards the crease area so that it gets covered with the eyeshadow too. This way you will make sure there are no lines. Take your time to blend the eyeshadow well for a great result. Next, I use the Shimmery Brown Eyeshadow that is truly beautiful and has a lovely sparkle to it. I can't quite describe the exact color, but it has a brown undertone. I'm using my finger and apply a small amount of this eyeshadow to the center of my eyelid, and then I blend it well using my fingers. If you find it easier to use a brush, feel free to use a brush for this step. Now it's time for the lower lash line, and we will repeat the same process. I'm using a small flat brush and a dark brown eyeshadow again. Consider the line along your lower lashes and cover that area with the eyeshadow. I love eye makeup looks with a brown undertone, and this eyeshadow is truly beautiful. You can use it for both daily makeup and special events. You can create versatile looks with it that are suitable for various occasions. And once again, I use this shimmery eyeshadow that is my favorite, and I apply to the lower lash line. I understand that applying shimmery and glittery eyeshadow to the lower lash line looks truly beautiful and enhances your eyes. I highly recommend trying this makeup look at least once. I'm sure you will find it practical and fall in love with it. If you have watched my videos, you may have noticed that I usually extend my eyeliner to the middle of the eyelid because it suits the shape of my eyes better. However, you can extend it all the way to the beginning of the eyelid based on your personal preference. Well, for this makeup look, I've decided to use false eyelashes. First, I apply mascara to my natural lashes to give them volume. Then I use my favorite style of false eyelashes. You can choose any style of false eyelashes that you like, or even use mascara to make your natural lashes fuller and longer. Thank you for watching this video. You can easily recreate this makeup look in less than 5 minutes. And I'm confident that you will love it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and leave your comments below. I really appreciate your support. If you're interested in makeup, I upload tutorial videos every week, so do not miss out on future videos. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope we had a great time together and it was informative. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.